Hello, my name is alibia.devente with Market Education for Kimball Office. And in this session, I'd like to talk about how sometimes autoconnectors double up. In this instance, you'll notice that I have a basic Cetra station. My end trims and a two-way is located here, but in the corner, I'm missing a two-way. It could be because I've reworked this typical, but another way to look at it is if I want to add a connector, I guess I could copy the one from the left and add it to the right. In this instance, I'm going to recommend that you run the Autoconnectors routine. A common issue that occurs is when I select Autoconnectors, I didn't select my preferences first. Always make sure your preferences are set first to make sure you're in the correct library. Sometimes you might be in a different location. Once your preferences are set, then go into your AC User Preferences section. With AC User Preferences, we've already done that. If we've already selected our preferences, I'm going to go into Autoconnectors. With Autoconnectors, you do not want to isolate this particular connector, but in this instance I will, just to show you what could happen. I'm going to right click to continue. So notice it did place my connector here, but if I use the command called overkill in AutoCAD and I circle my entire station, right click to continue, you're going to get a new dialog box that pops up that says lines, arcs, and p-lines. Make sure that all of those are selected, and once they are, we're going to say OK. Notice that in my command prompt it told me that 3 duplicate items were deleted, so that means that the 3 connectors I didn't choose were placed anyway. I point this out because if I had this connector missing in the corner, which I'm going to go ahead and delete again, and I select Autoconnectors, and I'm going to select the entire typical to run my Autoconnectors routine. I'm going to type in overkill just so you can see that we did not double up this time. So here you go. Nothing came back in red from overkill from using that command, so that means that all our connectors are good. If you're using Autoconnectors, please feel free to run the routine on top of each other. If you have any questions about this command or the content of this video, please feel free to reach out to alibia.devente@kimball.com.